Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and today I will discuss Surface Data SPC. You may already be familiar with the Object Control SPC tool, where if I have something selected in my tree like a circle or a slot, I can review the SPC of that feature. But what if I want to look at the SPC of surface data? Well, if I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I can navigate to the Object Control SPC tool. Click on the drop-down arrow to the right of it, and you'll see Surface Data SPC. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon, I can navigate to the Review tab, SPC, Surface Data. Let me go ahead and click on Surface Data. And from here, the parameters are very similar to creating a regular color map. I can specify the CAD model to compare to, the distance for the CAD model to search for data, and in this case, since I have multiple samples, just what type of resolution do I want in this study? So I'll keep it at 0.5 millimeters for now. When I press Initialize, PolyWorks will go ahead and measure all the data across my N pieces. And right now, based on the SPC average deviation, you can see the average color map across the 5 pieces. I could toggle between an average deviation or any other statistical map of interest. One of the nice benefits here is instead of reverting back to a previous piece to see that individual piece's color map, I could go ahead and toggle this SPC tab and change it from SPC to individual piece. And now, I can specify which piece to evaluate. So that's the Surface Data SPC tool in PolyWorks. Thank you for watching.